to English with Chanroth. Today I'm going to teach you how to use countable and uncountable nouns. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use countable and uncountable nouns with a little, little, a few, and few. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do it now. And please share this video to all English learners. Do you know how to use little, a little, few, a few? Look at these examples to see how these qualifiers are used with countable and uncountable nouns. I have a few friends, so I'm not lonely. She has few friends, so she's quite lonely. Now, I would like you to try this exercise to test your grammar. Complete the sentences with a little, little, a few, few. Number 1. I have, blah blah blah, water left. There's enough to share. Number 2. I have, blah blah blah, good friends. I'm not lonely. Number 3. There are, blah blah blah, people she really trusts. It's a bit sad. Number 4. We've got, blah blah blah, time at the weekend. Would you like to meet? Number 5. Julie gave us, blah blah blah, apples from her garden. Shall we share them? Number 6. She has, blah blah blah, self-confidence. She has a lot of trouble talking to new people. Number 7. There's, blah blah blah, milk left in the fridge. Please write your answer in the comment down below. The expressions a little and a few means some or enough. Study the following examples. I've got a little money. I'm going to the concert. A little money means some money or enough money. Another example, I've got a few friends. We meet every day. A few friends mean some friends or enough friends. The expressions little or very little and few or very few means hardly any or not enough. For example, I've got very little money. I need to borrow some. Very little money means not enough money. Another example, I've got very few friends. I need to make new friends. Very few friends mean not enough friends. A little, a few, very little, and very few are generally used in positive statements, not negative or question. Countable and uncountables. 1. A little and very little are used with uncountable nouns like money, bread, water, milk, and so on. 2. A few and very few are used with countable nouns like children, student, teacher, table, chairs, and so on. A little and a few means some or enough. For examples, I got a little money. I have got a little money means I have got some money. It's enough for me to do what I want. Another example, I have got a few friends. I have got a few friends means I have got some friends or enough friends. We meet every day. Very little and very few means hardly any or not enough. For example, I have got very little money. I have got very little money means I have got hardly any. I haven't got enough. I'll borrow some from my friend. Another example, I have got very few friends. I have got very few friends means I have got hardly any. I haven't got enough. I need to make new friends. Little or few. Little refers to uncountable nouns and is used with the singular form to indicate that something exists only in a small amount or to a slight degree. Few refer to countable nouns and it's used with the plural form to indicate not many persons or things. For example, I've got little money left in my bank account. Another example, Ben has few friends in London. Let me give you some more examples. There's little that you can do about the situation. There's little that you can do about the situation. I have little times to waste. I have little time to waste. He's so stubborn. There's little use in talking to him. He's so stubborn. There's little use in talking to him. Now, test your grammar again. Decide whether you have to use a little, a few, or few. 1. We had blank snow last winter. 2. She spoke blank English. It was nearly impossible to understand her. 3. There are blank students in the classroom. 4. She has blank friends in the city. She needs more friends. 5. There is blank water in the pond. Number 6. Blank animal can survive in the desert. So please write your answer in the comment down below too. And that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.